Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the workbook and selecting the exact cells where numbers will appear. This matters because formulas and fills act only in the chosen range. Once selected, decide whether to overwrite current values or use a new column for safety. This prevents accidental data loss. If you plan to input a sequence, begin at the first cell, type the initial number, press Enter to confirm, and then reselect that starting cell, so the next step can use Excel's fill tools. Now generate numbers using the method that fits your need. Drag the fill handle for simple sequences. You'll see a small square at the cell corner. Click and drag it down. For precise increments, choose Home, Fill series, then set step value and stop value to control spacing. If you want dynamic numbering that adjusts to inserted rows, use a formula like equals row. -1 or equals a 1 plus 1 and fill down. Formulas update automatically when you add or remove rows. Finish by locking in the result. If you need fixed numbers, copy the range and paste special right arrow values to remove formulas. Make sure cell formatting matches. Number or text affects how entries look and sort. Change format in the Home tab. If your sequence stops or repeats, check for hidden blanks, filters, or absolute references like $, $1 in formulas. Once found, correct or clear them. Then reapply the fill or formula so the numbering flows without gaps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.